to say no to a bath with lots of bubbles.
Lots of bubbles coming up.
Bubbles!
Did anybody hear clank, thump, kaboom, squeak? Rubble, can't find Ducky.
Aw, did you lose your rubber ducky? Wait. I know where your ducky is. It's stuck in this pipe right here. Uh-oh, I know what happens when things get stuck in a pipe. That happens. Wrench. Good. Whoa! All pups, all wrenches. We gotta stop the leaks. Wrench! Charger, big leak behind you. Whoop, I'm on it. Whoa!
Wow, Charger, you really are on it.
Uh-oh, this can't be good. We gotta get that rubber ducky out of there. But how?
I know how to get the ducky out of there. I've got this. Cutter tool.
Fantastic job, Nix.
Ducky!
Motor, you still need a bath before the family photo.
No.
We better finish building the super tub. One super tub coming up. I'm a clean machine.
No bath for motor. No bath for motor. Done.
You got it. Looks good. Nice. Motor, your new super tub is ready. What do you think, Motor? Huh? Motor? Oh no, she's hiding again. Uh-oh, Auntie Crane and Grandpa Gravel will be here soon.
So fun! Motor! Bath time is about to get even better! And bubblier!
Whoa!
Motor love bubbles! Motor love bath time! Thank you!
Yes, Motor loves bath time.
Okay, little duckies. This time stay in your home, okay? Phew! Now we can go home.
Oh, my poor tired paws. Oh,
Same here.
so tired.
Too. You know what helps me when I'm tired? A snack! Follow me. Super snack dispenser, do your thing. So good. See? A snack always hits the spot.
How did it go, my pups?
Great, Grandpa. The duckies are finally back. In the backyard again?
I don't get it. Why do the ducks keep coming back here? And why are they circling Grandpa? Round and around and... Oh, I'm getting dizzy.
Got me, my pup. They did this earlier at the lake, but that's when I had a whole bag of birdseed in my tool pack. Oh, yeah. I forgot I had some left over.
That's it. The ducks keep coming to the backyard because they love your birdseed, Grandpa.
And they want to eat more and more and more.
Wouldn't it be fun if we built the duckies a special birdseed dispenser at the lake? Pup-tastic and duck-tastic. Let's finish up our snacks and back
ready to fill your bellies, my ducks.
Grab it. Lift it. Move it. Drive it.
Okay, family and ducks, let's go to the lake.
Bye, my pups. Bye, my ducks.
Go on, little ducks. That duckie's gonna try it.
Oh, hello, beautiful purple flowers. Too bad Mix can't use you to paint.
Charger, that's our construction solution.
Really? Talking to flowers is our construction solution?
Not exactly. But wouldn't it be fun if I made paint with these flower petals?
That's a pup-tastic idea. If it's okay to use the flowers.
Fun fact. If you cut flowers at the lower end of their stems, new buds can still grow.
Then it is a pup-tastic idea. Pluck the purple petals, put them in the tool pack. Here you go. Water from the river, pour it in the tool pack. Here you go.
Thanks, everyone. Now it's time to mix it up. Mix, 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 mix. Let's see if it works. Spray blaster. Ready, aim, paint.
Whoa!
Yo! The flower purple paint looks amazing.
Great work, team. Now we can finish the rest of the signs on the hiking trail. Come on, crew. We are done. Hi, everyone. The trail signs are ready. Just follow them to the top.
Ah, now the trail signs are ready. Ha, we went too soon. Okay, this time we won't get lost.
Let's go.
This way! Hurry! Follow that sign! My cake is melting! And we're here.
And just in time. Look!
Here we come!
Surprise! Happy birthday, Mr. Ducky-Doo!
And here you go, your birthday ice cream! Melted cake! Yikes! Actually, it melted into a nice shape. Oh, kinda looks like you, Mr. Ducky-Doo.
So it looks like we're building this.
Oh, it's an indoor skydiving center where you can skydive safely from the ground?
No plane and no parachutes needed. And the glass will stop the wind in the sky from blowing you around.
Amazing! We can still put on a skydiving stunt show.
And I can still take a photo. Come on, crew. I'll call Auntie Crane for supplies. Everybody, get ready to build. Thanks, Mr. Ducky-Doo. Okay, now get ready to build.
There you go! Everything you pups need to build a skydiving center.
Thanks, Auntie Crane. Now, let's bow wow build. Actually, let's bounce and build. Bounce, bounce, measure it twice. Bounce, bounce, make it look nice. Bounce, bounce, tool pack time. Bounce, bounce, slow down line. Drill by screw. That's what you do. Ready and go. Show us what you do. Thanks, Mr. Ducky Doo. Where were we? Oh, yeah.
Show us what you know.
Bouncing bills, love to build all day long. Bouncing bills, that's why we sing this song.
Oh, yeah.
Bounce, bounce, we're almost done.
Bounce, bounce, building is fun. Bounce, bounce. Yay!
That looks so exciting!
Only one thing left to do. Try it out!
Ready, Mr. Ducky Doo? 3, 2, 1,
Okay, Mayor Greatway. I think we're ready for that picture. Say cheese!
Wait, we're missing something!
What?
You pups! Come on, join us for a skydiving selfie!
Now this is how you zoom, zoomy! Okay, everyone, say skydiving! Skydiving! Hey, it's the meteorite! Wait, weren't we supposed to be moving it?
Yup, but now it's moving on its own, right for Builder Cove.
We have to stop it before it smashes into the town. Let's go, crew. Come on, we gotta get ahead of the meteorite to stop it. Watch out!
Whoa, big hole coming up.
Good thing that hole wasn't bigger, or we could have gotten stuck in it.
Charger, that's it.
What's it? The hole?
Sort of. What if we dig a really big hole for the meteorite to get stuck in?
Oh, I dig that idea. Me too. Come on, crew. Let's dig. Here you go, Wheeler. Making it clean, that's the big vehicle dream. Here it comes. Yes! Oh! And there it goes, away from our hole and right for town. We gotta do something, and fast.
Mix is on the fix.
Just be careful, Mix. There's a cliff up ahead.
Thanks, Rubble. Big spray blaster. Ready, aim, spray.
Meteorite could have turned Builder Cove into space dust. Yeah, you really sprayed today. You're making a surprise present for Mayor Greatway to celebrate Friendship Day?
Aw, you want to build her a bench so she can sit next to the lake while you swim around?
Aw, that's so sweet. He's such a thoughtful little dog.
I think I've got an idea. Wouldn't it be fun if... Oh, sorry, Mr. Ducky Doo. We'll be right back. I didn't want Mr. Ducky Doo to hear this, since it would ruin his special surprise. Wouldn't it be fun if we combined both presents and built a diving board with a bench?
Oh, then Mayor Greatway can sit on her bench while Mr. Ducky Doo dives in the lake. Nice!
Great news, Mr. Ducky Doo. If you promise not to take our supplies, we'll happily build you a bench for Mayor Gateway.
But come back a little later. There's a surprise for you, too.
I guess the third time's the charm. Ready, crew? Let's powwow build!
When it comes to building benches, tools rule.
They're pretty good for making diving boards, too. Duck diving board steps coming right up. Okay, Charger, do your thing.
Grab it. Lift it. Move it. Combine it.
Time to finish it off with a mix makeover. Ready, aim, paint!
Check it out. Jumping on the diving board. Whee! Makes the bench swing.
Now that looks like friendship. Great timing, Mayor Gateway. Your diving board is done. Surprise!
What a great diving board specially made for ducks! And wait a minute! Is that a bench for me?
Yep, you both had great gift ideas for each other, so we combined them. Go try them out.
Woo! I agree, Mr. Ducky Doo. It is wonderful.
Easy. Nice. Secured on tight. Tools, quack, rule.
Time for a mix makeover.
What do you think, Mr. Ducky Doo? Yes, he likes it. What should we build next?
Build wings on Duck Plane.
Wood for the wings, coming in!
Wings with feathers. Gotta cut the feathers.
Motor go boom!
What you think, Mr. Ducky Doo?
He likes the feathers! Ducky feet next! Yay! What do you think, Mr. Ducky Doo?
Whoa! Yeah! We just need one more thing.
Time for a duck mix makeover!
Yes! We are done, done. We better hurry, or the ducks won't ever leave. There's only one thing left to do. Give me your best quack, Mr. Ducky Doo. Perfect. After we install this, Camilla is ready for takeoff. Camilla, your duck plane does something really special. Push the yellow button.
It quacks! I love it! Now, let's see if the ducks love it!
Motor wanna fly with Camilla too.
Oh, that's a fun idea. And since Camilla's our friend, it's okay. Go for it. Lead those ducks.
Okay, Motor, let's duck do this! Hello, ducks! I am your duck leader. Follow me!
It's tilting on its side and I can't hold it much longer. We need more lifting power.
I just thought of a way my vehicle can help. Time for a big mix fix.
Oh no, it's tilting the other way.
Don't worry. I figured out how my vehicle can help too.
Fantastic job! Okay, crew. Now lift City Hall really high so we don't harm the bison. Big jumps! Big vehicles! Big bounce!
Yo! Fun fact! Rubble and Crew are awesome!
Yeah!
You know what else would be awesome? Setting down City Hall!
Oops, sorry. All right, crew, set her down. Nice and easy.
Hold it, pups! There's a baby bison down there!
He got stuck in some rocks! Poor baby bison! He'll get left behind from his family!
Keep her steady, pups! I'm going in!
Rubble and crew, hold your positions.
Holding!
Holding.
Holding!
I'm almost done!
We got you, Park Ranger Rose. Our super big vehicles are super strong.
Holy, holy bison street!
Okay, crew, now set her down. Carefully. Yay! When we work together with our big vehicles, there's nothing we can't do. Or lift.
Thanks to you, pups, the bison safely made it through Builder Cove. And next time they migrate here, you'll know what to do.
What?
Huh?
Oh no! Are the bison headed back here?
Nope, just our buddy Truffle's coming in for a piggy hug.
I got one, Meister brother!
And I got the other, Meister brother.
Are you okay?
Well, okay. Great. Sneaky plan, little brother. At least I had a plan. You never would have jumped without my help. Would so? Would not. Would so? Would not.
Looks like they're okay. But the ramp is pointing the wrong way now for the mayor's landing.
That sounds like a big job.
Big vehicles!
Big bounce!
Charger, get your big crane grabber into position. Ready! I'll get this side with my big excavator. Mix, you lift the bottom of the ramp. Wheeler, you take the back.
Moving in. Back it in.
Rev your big vehicles to maximum power, and let's move this giant ramp! Awesome! The ramps are lined up again. Pup-tastic job, family. Mayor Greatway, are you ready to try the jump?
I don't know. It is a big ramp, and the triple flipper wow trick is pretty hard to do.
You've been practicing for this, Mayor Greatway. And you know what Grandma Moto Mabel would say.
She'd say, no matter how big the stunt, believe in yourself and get rolling. And I'm ready to roll!
Yay!
Hold on tight, Mr. Ducky Doo! Here we go! Here comes
thing to say. Well, Great Way is awesome. Rosie. Yeah, what they said.
You did it! You did it! I knew you could do it.
Aw, thank you, Mix. I did it thanks to you pups. You reminded me that Grandma always said, believe in yourself. And I also believe in you pups. These ramps are amazing and big.
Motor go big boom! Motor go more big boom! And even more big boom! 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 Motor loves to go big boom. Yay! Motor!
Big jumps! Big vehicles!
Big boom!
Foundation time. Gotta dig, no problem, cuz my vehicle is big. I see mounds of dirt. Time to haul it away. Because I'm a big clean machine.
Now I can pour concrete to make a giant-sized foundation for the giant skyscraper.
Wow, Mix. Can your blaster reach all the way across?
Oh, yes, it can. Check this out. Up, up, up I go!
Whoa! Whoa! Cool!
Ready, aim, concrete! All right!
Grab giant steel beam. Lift giant steel beam. Move giant steel beam. This thing's got some power.
Motor has power too. Motor go boom! Boom! Boom!
Fantastic booming motor. How about a helping paw? From my giant excavator. Rubble on the big build double.
Thanks, Rubble. Time to attach these beams. Ready, aim, weld! Keep the steel beams coming.
Here comes Charger, tossing a beam to Rubble. Got it. Here comes Rubble. Rubble, who doesn't have an idea for the top of the skyscraper. I promise, Mayor Greatway. I can't let her down. Whoa! This skyscraper is going to be huge! Looking up makes me dizzy.
You can ask your parents to subscribe to Nick Jr.'s official Rubble YouTube channel and watch Rubble and Crew on Nickelodeon and everywhere you find Nick Jr.